Hey Pisces, please like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified every time I repost. If you are interested in booking a personal reading, all the information for that will be below in the description box. So, this is going to be an energy checkup just to see what's going on around you, to see what you need to know, what you need to be aware of. So, this is just general. It's not going to resonate with everybody. So, take what resonates and leave what does not. So, let's see what's going on for the Pisces. You have status upgrade, new achievements, improved social standing, lifestyle elevation, next level. I feel like some of you guys are going to get like a promotion or something at work. I feel like you're going to be getting recognized. You're going to be getting praised for all that you do. So it's like if you haven't been feeling appreciated, if you haven't been feeling like, you know, you've been noticed or anything, like maybe even if like you're like a creator or something like that, and maybe you feel as if like, you know, you're not getting noticed, nobody's not appreciating or, you know, paying attention to your, you know, work or your project or anything like that. It's like you're going to start seeing the difference between that. Like you're going to start seeing things pick up a little bit more. Some of you guys are going to be hitting some type of goal that you set for yourself. So if this is like, if you're a business owner, this is like some type of sales goal, you're going to be hitting that goal. If you wanted to sell a certain amount or if you wanted to make a certain amount, I'm getting that, you know, you're going to be, I just heard surpassing. So you might actually like go above what you actually set for yourself. You might actually be shocked. You have situationship, unclear boundaries, mixed signals, more than friends, less than lovers. What are we? I feel like you could be dealing with someone as well, or someone could be in your energy to where it's like the connection is just weird. It's just like you guys are not together, but then at the same time, it's kind of like you are. It's like you guys are in like a talking stage. Like it's like either you or this person is just wondering, like, it's like, all right, what are we doing? Like, what are we? Like, maybe this is like no strings attached situation. And maybe it's just a little bit like confusing and annoying. So maybe you're just like, you know, like whatever. Not really paying attention to it. Maybe you're just going to start like, you know, paying attention more to like your work and your money and your business and stuff like that. Self-made, independent success, overcoming odds, creating your path, built from nothing. I feel like some of you guys are going to be coming into entrepreneurship as well. So for those of you who are business owners, you're going to be seeing a lot of growth within your business. You're going to be seeing a lot of success. For those of you who are interested or thinking about like having a business, building a business, you're going to have a lot of luck around it. So definitely start writing down like your blueprint. Definitely start writing down everything that you need to know. If you need to take like business classes, or if you just need to research and make sure you know all the information that you need to know, make sure you're doing that, because the more you know, the more successful you'll be. You have unread, ignored messages, waiting anxiously, no replies. Maybe they're just busy. I feel like this is going to be you leaving someone unread when it comes to whatever situationship you're dealing with. I feel like you're going to be losing patience. I feel like you're just going to stop really like worrying about it, and you're just going to start, you know, doing you, doing something different, just worrying about and thinking about and doing other things. I'm getting like a losing interest type of vibe. So it's like you were losing interest in this person. Or maybe you lost interest. Secret admirer, hidden affection, anonymous notes, unknown interest, someone's watching. I don't know. Some of you guys could be dealing with someone that's like, this person is a little weird with you, because it's like, maybe I just heard scared of you. Maybe some of them, maybe they're scared of you. Maybe they're scared to come towards you. Maybe this person feels a little bit, you know, more than what you think, and maybe they're like afraid to let you know. I don't know. Maybe this person doesn't know how to talk to you. Maybe this person doesn't know how to like come towards you. Maybe this person doesn't know how to like Pisces, do you guys even really care? Some of you guys do. Some of you guys like this person, maybe. I don't know, it's like somebody admires you and it's like they feel more comfortable like watching you, but then it's like when they come towards you, it's like they choke up or something like that. So you have inner child, healing childhood wounds, reconnecting with joy, playfulness restored, return to innocence. Some of you guys gonna have Aquarius in your chart. Or you could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I was telling Aquarius that when this card comes out, it reminds me of you doing things that feeds your soul. You doing things that maybe in your childhood you had really fun with. Maybe you had a lot of interest in. Maybe you were really good at. Maybe things that, you know, you kind of drifted away from or lost interest in. It's kind of like you're regaining interest in those things. You're regaining a love for certain things. It's kind of like some of you guys could be healing childhood wounds. So it's like healing the little boy or healing the little girl within you. With that Secret Admirer card, okay, so you see how it looks like there's a letter in the mail? Some of you guys may get like some type of unexpected message, some type of unexpected like gift or something from someone. This could be like flowers or something like that. I don't know. Spilled tea, secrets exposed, gossip spreading, leaked information, oops, it's out. I feel like y'all gonna be hearing some tea about something too. So this could be you like getting together like with your friends and your girls and y'all like chatting and stuff like that, like having girl time, or if it's guys like having guy time and you know, y'all chatting and you hear some tea or some gossip, something like your friends telling you. So you could be spending time with friends. This could be also like with that inner child, like it's like you spending time with friends, you spending time with people that like, you know, your energy resonates with, your energy feels comfortable with, like it makes you feel good. You know, it heals you a little bit. You know how you say like when you spend time with your family and when you spend time with your friends or your loved ones, like it heals you, like it gives you that type of energy. You have rebound, temporary comfort, avoiding loneliness, quick replacement, just to forget. Some of you guys could be telling your friends about like this rebound or this person that you're leaving on red, like the situationship or something like that. I don't know. Maybe you just you chilling, like you gossiping, you talking, like you just, you know, I don't know, you're not really doing too much. Side hustle, multiple incomes, extra earnings, financial security, always on my grind. Some of you could have multiple streams of income. Some of you could have like a side hustle. You could be focusing or building a side hustle. You have safe space, emotional sanctuary, comfortable solitude, protected vulnerability. I am here. Some of you guys could be spending a little bit more time at home, or your home is very, very comfortable. This can also be like if you have company that comes over, like your company loves spending time at your house because like the energy and like the ambiance and everything is just, it just feels really good. It just feels really nice. Toughened season, temporary relationship, seasonal companionship, short-term wealth until spring. Some of you guys could be dealing with someone, or maybe this is going to be coming in. You could be spending time with someone. You have like a partner or someone that, you know, maybe you guys are not fully official, but you know, you guys like y'all rock with each other, y'all fuck with each other. Speak up, expressing needs, defending yourself, courage to comfort, your voice matters. I feel like within this situation, maybe it's some things that maybe you want this person to work on. Maybe you just, you know, want to speak up about some things, and maybe you're not sure if you need to bring the conversation up. Maybe you don't like want to fuck up the vibe or something like that. But I feel like, you know, it all depends on how you present the conversation, you know. I feel like if you're dealing with someone and y'all locked in and, you know, y'all getting to know each other, y'all spending time, y'all should be able to talk about anything. So y'all should be able to, you know, have a conversation or talk about things to where it's like, you know, it should be like, even if it has to be like agree to disagree, like an understanding, or just, you know, just having a conversation for like informant. That's okay. Like, it's just how you go about the conversation, how you go about the situation. Tell me more. I don't know. Maybe someone wants to have a conversation with you. Maybe you want to have a conversation with someone about, maybe someone feels like they're a rebound. Or maybe someone feels like someone is like treating them like a rebound. Like, you know, they only come around whenever they want like some type of comfort or something like that. Boundaries. Saying no firmly, protecting your peace, setting limits clearly. Enough is enough. Pisces, maybe some of you guys need to start setting some boundaries with someone. Maybe you need to, maybe you do need to speak up. You need to say something. Maybe someone is taking advantage a little bit, or maybe you feel like someone is taking advantage. Don't allow no one to like walk all over you. Don't allow no one to like overstep your boundaries as well. Make sure you're standing your ground and being very firm. You have breadcrumbing, giving minimum attention, keeping options open, vague promises, never committed fully. You could be dealing with someone that like breadcrumbs you. You could be dealing with someone that kind of like this person is not really like, there's not really a full commitment with this person. Maybe this person is like scared of commitment, or they're just like not ready or avoiding commitment. Maybe, you know, I just heard starve. Maybe this person like starves you of attention sometimes. Maybe you feel as if like you're, you know, they don't notice you, or like you don't matter until they need something or want something. Tell me more for the Pisces. Closure, letting go, ending chapters, emotional release, finally free. For some of you, either you or this person, I feel like someone wants or needs to have a conversation, and there needs to be like some type of honesty within the conversation. I feel like someone is looking for some type of closure, or they need to give like some type of like truth, like how they honestly feel and what they're honestly looking for and what they want. I feel like somebody kind of is already leaning towards really wanting to let go of something and wanting to be free from something. Maybe something is very like emotionally draining. Yeah, I feel like somebody wants to have a conversation about like, you know, maybe slowing something down or stopping something. And it's kind of like, maybe this could be you, Pisces. Maybe you're trying to figure out, you know, how to go about a situation or how to say it. Well, first things first is like, just always be honest, you know, always be honest, be upfront, have compassion as well. Don't go into the situation with any like negativity or like anger or anything like that that'll cause like any toxicity or anything like that, you know. I feel like you know, people are adults, and you should be able to communicate in ways to where it shouldn't have to be any drama, it shouldn't have to be any, you know, craziness or wildness. So whether this is you or someone else, I feel like there is a conversation that is going to be had. If it hasn't happened already, someone is just trying to figure out how to go about the conversation, how to, you know, have the conversation to where it won't be anything like real dramatic and negative and toxic and bad. So that was your reading. Please like, share, subscribe if it's resonated. Again, if you're interested in booking, all the information for that will be below in the description box. And I'll see you in my next video.